Hey guys, welcome back to Paul the Fox. Today is August 23rd, 2021, and that marks our 1-year anniversary on YouTube. So I want to make this video for a few different reasons. Number one, we just want to say thank you to all our subscribers. We really do appreciate the support. We don't take it for granted, and we know that we couldn't have done it without you guys. So thank you for helping us grow the channel. It really does mean a lot to us. Number two, I want to use this video as a timestamp look back. And as of this video, we are 1,436 subscribers strong, and we're really looking forward to continuing to grow. So thank you again. Number three, just want to let you guys know where we stand as far as merchandise. There's still a hat shortage out there, so our supplier is waiting for his order to come in. Once that occurs, we're gonna have a bunch of hats ready to go. We got some new designs that I'm gonna share with you guys this Thursday on our live stream. That said, we do have some shirts finally ready to go, so we can start pushing out some shirts. And we just created a new golf shirt. It's really awesome. It's a wicking material, sort of like an Under Armour with an embroidered logo. It looks really sharp. Again, it's something I'll share with you guys on the live stream to get your thoughts on. Number four, to mark our 1-year anniversary on YouTube, we're gonna do some more channel giveaways. That's gonna be done on our next live stream this Thursday, August 26th. It's either gonna be 7:30 or 8 o'clock. I'll post up in the next day or two confirming the time. But Sally and I really enjoy doing these giveaways, and it's a small token of our appreciation back to you guys. And lastly, I'd like to mention that I'm super proud of Sally. She's become a huge part of the channel, and I certainly couldn't have done it without all of her support. So thank you, Sally. And yes, we're still looking for a Fox vert for her. I look every day. It's gonna happen. It's just a matter of the stars aligning with the right car. So we're looking forward to bringing that project to the channel. The Turbo Fox is progressing well, so really looking forward to bringing that element to the channel. So there's a lot more new content to come, so stay with us. Other than that, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, share it, smash the subscribe button. You know we appreciate you watching our videos. And as always, I don't have a hat on today, but we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.